Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this video you will learn about Python try and except. So let's get started. Python try and except is a way to make sure your code runs always and it doesn't break during the invocation of that code. So you can use try and catch in this way. Try your code and then accept any kind of exception that occurs during the running of your code. You let's say print something wrong happened, okay, and you make sure that your code runs always. Let's say print let's say 2 by 0. So this will throw an error of 0 division. So let me save this, let me run this. You'll see something wrong happen. Let's say we want to catch what happened there, so we will accept the exception as E, and instead of this we can print E itself. And if we run this code again, you will see division by 0. So someone can understand that we are trying to divide something by 0. Let's say there is one more aspect of try catch is else. In case of successful execution of this try block, if else block is provided, it runs the body of that else block. So let's say I'll say code ran successfully. When I save it, let me change this to 0.5. so let me save this and run it. You can see we did not face any exception during the running of code, and we also print the statement that code ran successfully because this execution of the code ran successfully. Last, we have finally. That means irrespective of the execution of try block, this finally block, if provided, will execute itself. So when I run this, you can see our code ran successfully and this will print always run. If I say change this to 0, that means this statement will throw an error. Still, if we run this, you can see that there was an exception during the execution of this code, which is accepted here. We print the error, that is division by 0, and since we have provided the finally block, this block also executes itself. So this is how you can use try, except, else and finally. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this quick video tutorial on Python try and except. See you in the upcoming videos on my channel. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.